Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you from my deck, but only because I am about to film the taste test portion of this. And it's really hot in my kitchen. So I am going to be showing you guys how to make a one-pot vegan pumpkin mac and cheese. It is seriously so amazing. I cannot even get over how good it is. Okay, so that is everything for me right now. Let's get into the video. Really quick before we get into the taste test, I wanted to remind you guys / tell those of you who don't know, who might not follow me on Instagram or go on my blog, that I released an ebook and it's all vegan sauces. I'm just trying to find it on my phone so I can show you. It is called Saucy and it has 16 sauces for everyday cooking. There is hot fudge sauce in there, honey mustard glaze, black pepper stir fry sauce, and it's only $10. I will put a link below. And they're all sauces that I make on a at least weekly basis. Like, they're kind of my staple sauces that I've been making up throughout the years. So yeah, they're all also different from my cookbook for the most part. So if you have my cookbook, these are brand new sauces for you. Okay, so let's get into the pumpkin mac and cheese. It's just such a good combination with the cinnamon and nutmeg. There's Bella. And sage. I like using the little shells because they kind of just like hold the sauce, and each little shell becomes like a little pocket for a little puddle of cheese sauce. It's so good. And if you like this, I have two other amazing pumpkin pasta recipes. One is just like the most amazing creamy pumpkin pasta, and I have a video for it, and then the other one is a pumpkin alfredo, and it's just on my blog. You can search pumpkin alfredo, and both of those are just really good too. They're not cheesy, whereas this one is like mac and cheese and pumpkin combined. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go finish eating this. I love you all so much, and I really hope you enjoy this recipe. If you make it, make sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram at itslivb. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!